Hey guys, and welcome to the course. I want to say a big thank you for enrolling in this course, and I just wanted to explain to you a little bit about the course. So we'll see in module 1, this is the welcome video I'm doing now. This video is very important how this course will work. This is the outline for solving the cube, and it's very important you watch it. It's only a few minutes and it's got very vital information in it. Now, this test is not, it would be good if you did it because it tests you on the information you learn in this video. However, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it, but I would suggest you do it because it seems to be it will be very helpful in helping you remember it off by heart. And then here we have in module 2 solving the cube. So this is the step-by-step on how to solve the cube. So we start with getting the white cross, then we get the white corners, then the middle layer, then the yellow cross, then the whole yellow side, and then we're on to the penultimate step, and then we're on to the final step. Now, this isn't the fastest way to solve the cube. I can do this in about 2 minutes. However, this is a basic way of solving the cube. Once you've mastered this and learnt this completely off by heart, then by all means you'll be able to learn much faster and much more complex ways to solve the cube. In this section there's going to be a document just outlining the steps in all of this, so you can even print them off and take them wherever you go and memorize them. And here is just a thank you video for watching. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing your photos of the cubes here when you have completed them. Thank you very much.